Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. That is your third eye chakra, the seat of intuition and inner wisdom. Imagine a soft indigo light glowing at your third eye chakra. With each inhale, the light brightens. With each exhale, it clears fog, confusion, doubts, or overthinking. Visualize a gentle breeze sweeping away all the blockages, leaving only clarity and peace. See the indigo light spinning as a harmonious wheel of energy, balanced, steady, calm. Feel it align with your mind, your thoughts, your inner knowing. Whisper silently, I trust my intuition. I see clearly beyond illusions. My mind is calm. My vision is pure. Now imagine beams of divine light flowing into your third eye from the universe, strengthening your inner vision. See yourself divinely guided, supported, and connected to higher wisdom. Your third eye is glowing brighter, becoming a radiant beacon of clarity and insight. Keep on breathing normally as it glows brighter and brighter. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel lightedness in your mind and calmness in your heart. Carry this clarity and trust with you. And when you are ready, open your eyes slowly.